Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I cleared my skin and how I got rid of all of my acne. I feel like this video is something that I was looking for so long. I was always suffering from like little pimples, little like acne, especially like on this side of my cheeks, and I also like got scars for a while. But I feel like this past year I focused on myself and trying to do what was good for me and for my health, and it also like reflected so much on my skin. And I also implemented a lot of things into my daily routine, like morning and night. So if you want to know what I did through this journey, then let's go into the video. So the first thing that I think like changed mainly in my routine and in my life was that I started drinking a lot of water, and that actually helps a lot for your skin to keep it hydrated, to keep it clean. I know that there's this saying that says that you are what you eat, and if you eat healthy and if you drink water and stay hydrated, like you're gonna see it a lot in your skin. And I don't go by a specific amount of water that you have to drink, but I had like a big like jug like this big, and I would just like fill it up and drink it throughout the day, and if I didn't finish it, then I would have it for the next morning. But I basically like just listened to my body and see when I was thirsty or when I needed to be hydrated. And recently I bought like another like tumbler that it's better for me to take with me when I'm going out or things like that, so I can stay hydrated. The next thing that I think that also helped a lot was to remove my makeup before bed, no matter what. No matter how tired I was, no matter how late it was, I would always remove my makeup. And for that I want to like show you like some products that I think like helped a lot. But the first product that I want to talk about is this towel right here. You can see it's dirty on this side. This is called the makeup eraser, and I never believed in it. Like I've had this for so long and I never really like wanted to use it or anything, but it honestly does miracles. Like you can see it removes my foundation, my eyeliner. When I use mascara, it also removes that. It doesn't matter if it's waterproof or not, it will remove it. It's very impressive what this does. And what I usually do, you're supposed to be able to just add water to this thing and wipe your face, but I like to apply my micellar water. This is from Garnier. This is the all-in-one hydrating. It removes makeup, cleanses, and hydrates. It's not so harsh on your skin, so I went for this one. And then I apply like just a little bit on this towel, and then I just wipe my face off. And I try to like reuse it, so I start like on this side and then I keep going through the rest of the towel. And when it's time to wash it, I just put it on the washer machine and clean it there. I know they also sell like individual ones, like small ones. I'm gonna try and insert a picture right here, and there's 7, so 1 for each day of the week, and then you just wash them and you can reuse them. And that also helps so much because you help the environment. You're not producing that much waste, so what's better than that? The next thing that I think also helped was that no matter if I remove my makeup, I have to wash my face. Because even though you think that it's completely fresh and clean, it is not, and I've proved it so many times. Every time I remove my makeup, I wash my face, and I recently have been using the Foreo Mini Luna 2, I think it's called. Yeah, Luna Mini 2. I can't say this is my favorite because it's not. I don't think it removes everything from my face. Like even after I remove my makeup, I can still see makeup coming up when I use this, and even when I clean it after, I can still see makeup. So this is not my favorite thing, but it's very convenient because it's small and I can take it anywhere with me, and it's very like soft and good for the skin. But I was using before a cleansing brush. Mine was from Duvoli, I think. I'm gonna insert a picture right here of what kind I was using before, and I like that one better because it cleaned my face a lot more and like in depth. And the face washes that I've been using lately, the one that I've been using is the Mario Badescu enzyme cleansing gel. But before this I was using one from Neutrogena, and I also recommend this one. This is acne free dermatology inspired care. It's an acne cleanser. I'm pretty sure you can get it at any drugstore. This was given to me by my dermatologist. And then this one is the one that I'm using lately. This one doesn't create that much foam, so I feel like I'm not washing my face, but I am. But I prefer the ones that have like that foam when you're washing it. And the one from Neutrogena does that, and also this other one that is from dermatologist. it also creates foam. Another thing is that my skin, it's a combination more towards like the oily type of skin, and I was obsessed to keeping it dry the whole time, which created my skin to produce more oil to keep it healthy. So I stopped doing that, and now I actually hydrated and care for my skin. So what I've been using lately is this Forsali Moisture Replenishing Serum, and I apply this before applying my moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated for the whole day without making it look too oily, because I felt like if I didn't, before, I never apply moisturizer and I would just go like apply my makeup and go out, and then by like 2 hours after that my skin would be way too oily. For moisturizers, I don't have like any favorites. Lately I've been using one from Mario Badescu, but before that I think I used one from Lancome, and before that one I used, I think, one from Elf. So I don't really have like any favorites. I just look for ones that are hydrating and that could be good for combination to oily skin. Also, another thing that I implemented into my morning routines and like my skincare routines basically is to apply sunscreen. I've been using this one from Lancome and I love it so much. This is the Acne Defense 50 sunscreen, and I love it because it doesn't leave my skin looking like too oily or too like pasty. Also, if I go out in the sun and I sweat, I don't sweat like white things, because I've seen so many people put sunscreen and then they're sweating and I can see like all the white drops coming from them. So this one doesn't do that. And before this one I was using the one from Drunk Elephant, and I was not a fan of it. It was expensive and it was very oily, and it caused my skin to break out a lot more, so I did not recommend that. And last but not least, I think the thing that also helped me the most was to have a specific towel for my face. I have the small towels, and I started doing that after Pixie sent me like a kit with a toner, and it came with like some towelettes and one of this. So I started like keeping one just for my face, and it helps so much, because if you're just using any other towel, like one that you wipe your body as well after you shower, like there's like so many things wrong with that and so many bacteria that you can transfer to your face. So that's why I like to keep this one for myself after I'm washing my face, or if it's wet, like I will wipe it with this. So I keep individual ones, and you can see this one, it's a little dirty already, because after I'm removing my makeup or washing it, I like clean it a little further. And I love this because they're also reusable, so after a few days, if I see that it's too dirty, I will just throw it to the washer and clean it. So I would totally recommend you to do that. I have like my little basket with different towels that I can use. And that's basically like some of my tips that I've been using. I know this is probably like a very kind of like short video, but it's very straightforward, and I wanted to be honest with you guys on what I do with my skin. I'm gonna try to like insert some pictures of before and afters from like a year ago and now, and it has changed so much. And I think like some of my scars are like going away, because I had like some scarring like right here on my cheek, but I think they're gone now, or almost gone. So yeah, I hope that you like this video. I hope that if you do any of these recommendations, that it works for you. I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any video recommendations, I would appreciate if you can leave them down below in the comments. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.